So before we get into dividing our collar into sections, I'm just going to explain a little bit about the Raglan sweater. So this is one that I have designed, and it'll just show you the different sections. So if you can see here, we have the front section, we have 2 sleeve sections, and we also have the back section. So that is 4 sections. And then you'll notice that the yoke runs down the back like this, and it also runs down this front as well like this. And to make this yoke, we're going to increase stitches on either side. So when I design my Raglan sweaters, I like to put markers. So we're going to put a marker here, a marker here, and then also on the back, we're going to put a marker here and a marker here. And that way we can keep the sections separate, and then we'll also know where we are going to do the increase stitch. So now you're at a spot where you've knit the collar to the desired length or the length that is specified in the pattern. And now we're going to split all of our stitches up into 4 different sections. So the first section is the back section, then it'll be the left sleeve, then the front section, and then the right sleeve. So every size is going to be a little bit different. There's a table in the pattern that shows the amount of stitches you need for each, and there's also a setup round that you can follow. So the first step is to knit across the back stitches and place a marker. So when you knit across the required amount of back stitches, this is where we're going to place a marker. So you put your marker right there, and this is going to separate the back stitches from the left sleeve stitches. And I just use, these are just some ponytail holders that I have. I find that they work pretty good. And then the next step is to knit across your sleeve stitches. There won't be very many for the sleeve. So we use our marker, and now we have the back stitches and the left sleeve stitches. So the next step will be to work the front stitches. So again, knit across the required amount of stitches for your size. So I've knit across my front stitches, and I'll place another marker, and then I'll knit to the end of round. So this will be my right sleeve stitches. So now you notice I have 4 markers, put it this way so you can see, and it's into 4 different sections. So there's your back stitches, your left sleeve, then you got your front stitches, and then your right sleeve. And this is what you should have after you work the setup round.